Mr. Pank's Tech Blog. So in this video we are going to see a quick tutorial on how to export Google Chrome bookmark easily. As we know, Google Chrome is one of the biggest browser, most used browser in the world. So we are going to learn some of the quick tips that can help you use Google Chrome browser very efficiently. So just let's go to the Google Chrome, and since you have all the bookmark at the top bookmark bar, you can also click on this and click on Bookmark Manager. You need to go to the manager for exporting the bookmark set. Once you are in, you can choose any list from the left panel. So for example, I am going to export the mobile bookmarks. So once you choose the set, then you can click on the three dots at the top right corner and you will see export bookmarks option. And when you click on the export bookmark, it will ask you for the location where you want to save. So for Google Chrome, save it as an HTML document so you can open it later. So for this tutorial, I'm going to save it in desktop. You can also rename it, like I can type the name as mobile bookmark. And once done, just click on save and it will be saved on the desktop. So let's see. As you can see, it's saved as a mobile bookmark. You can just click on it and it will open in any of the browser you want. So for example, we want to use it in any other browser, then we can open it in Edge browser. And you can still see the link, all the links that you saved in that bookmark set. So you can just save it. So you can just click on any of the link and open it from here. That's how you can export all your bookmarks quickly from Google Chrome. So I hope you like this tutorial. I will see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye for now.